Hello and welcome to the 26th tutorial in the Cocos2d-x JavaScript tutorial series. And in this tutorial we'll be looking at playing a sound effect repeatedly. In the previous tutorial we looked at playing a sound effect and it's very similar, we've just got to make it play repeatedly, so it's just going to be constantly playing after it's finished, it'll just constantly be playing. This tutorial assumes you've done tutorial 3. If you haven't, there'll be a link in the description to the source code. And as usual, there'll be a link in the description to the source code produced from this tutorial, plus there'll be a link for the actual sound effect file, which is this collide.wav file. So let's just actually go to the project folder. First of all, before we open up the Xcode project, we want to go to the resources folder, then the res folder, and then we want to actually create a sound folder. I already have one created here. And then inside you want to put the actual collide.wav file. I'll replace it here, but you just got to create the folder there, place it there, and we're good to go. So you want to go to the Xcode project, open that up. You want to go to myapp.js, and now we want to add a couple of variables at the start here. First one is going to be called audio_engine, and we're going to make that equal to null, put a comma. The next one is going to be effect_file, make that equal to null as well, and put a comma. Now let's just sort out the formatting. And now here we just want to initialize the audio engine variable. So the audio engine equals cc.audio engine.get instance, open and close bracket, semicolon. Finally just sort out the formatting here, and now we're ready to initialize the effect file variable. So we want to do effect file equals res/sound/collide.wav semicolon, and now we can actually play the sound effect. Do audio engine.play effect, open bracket. Now the actual effect file we want to play, so that's called effect_file. Now put semicolon, sort out the formatting, and now let's just play it. Turn up the volume so I can hear it. There you go, it played the sound effect, but it stopped. So what we want to do is, after we've actually specified the effect file we want to play, we want to put a comma, and we're just going to put true, and that will just repeat the effect file. As you can see, it just keeps on repeating the effect file. So you can put different sort of effects file. If it's, I don't know, if you have a game with a police car and you want the siren to keep going on and on and on, it's just an effect file and not a music file, you can use this for something like that. In the next tutorial we'll be looking at how to actually set the volume for a sound effect, but that's for the next tutorial. And as usual, there'll be links in the description to the source code and all the assets that are needed for this tutorial. And thanks for watching.